Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes Trend video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss if you are unable to change your country region of your iPhone or iPad because of Apple Music subscription. So, how can you fix it? So, guys, if you want to change your country region but you are unable to do that, so simply, guys, first of all, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, there's the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then, guys, you may click here on your Apple account and you may scroll down. Here is the option of subscriptions, so you may click here and you may see all subscriptions from here. So let's check as I have not any subscription. So if you have Apple Music subscription or any other, you may remove or cancel from here. Then guys, you may go back and you may click here on media and purchases and click here on view account, and guys, you may change your country region of your iPhone or iPad from here easily. So let's check, guys, you may click here on country region and you may select your country, and then guys, you can change it. If you are unable to do that from here also, and after canceling your subscription you are unable to change country region, then guys, you may go back and you may download Sport app from your app store. So you may open this, or you may contact to Apple support team through web also on sport.apple.com. After this, guys, if you want to download Sport app, you may click here on your iPhone and you may select anyone from here. So let's say, guys, I am selecting app store. So let's check, you may just wait for some second. Here, guys, you may see that here is the option of call, so you may click here. So these numbers will be shown, so you may contact to Apple support team and tell them your problem and ask them to remove all subscription from your iPhone. So they will remove and you can change country region easily. So by all these method you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.